Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Unacademy online platform. This is a very important topic for all of you, and time to time this type of article always in the newspaper. Still UPSC never has any question in your paper. So I think so this is a very important question for upcoming year examinations. Overall guys, those even want more and more knowledge about the narcoanalysis, lie detector and brain mapping. So all these discussion I'll do here. And this topic is connecting with the science and tech. This is a lesson number 38. And as you know guys very well, related to science and technology environment, all important current events based videos I'm making for all of you on Unacademy YouTube platform. So stay tuned with me with the science and tech environment based all relevant topic for your coming year examinations. So before going to start this lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I've done my Ph.D. from IIT Delhi. I'm working as a director of Purvanchal, where I'm providing you the face-to-face classes at Gorakhpur. Taking your classes for science, tech and environment, 2 subjects. From last 18 years, I'm in the UPSC Civil Services teaching. 1000 plus selection happen in the Civil Services examinations. My science and tech and environment book was published on the McGraw-Hill. Those are highly relevant for all of you for civil services. My Telegram channel is t.me/Ravi UPSC _Unacademy. Here you can find out my all the entire PDF and plus all the video links. Those I share here time to time. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my all the plus classes. Apart of all the special classes, you people can also stay tuned with me on Unacademy. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% fees rebate. India's best educators for UPSC CSE, they all are available on Unacademy and they are taking your live sessions. They are highly experienced faculties on civil service examinations. So you have a great opportunity to connect with all the experienced faculty of UPSC CSE on live session on Unacademy. Unacademy All India Prelims Mock Test as in Delhi is going to organize as offline test guys. Now you can find out the feeling of face to face also here. On 20th April 2021, it's a GS test paper. Here you will get the time bound all the test with the Omar experience and all. And this test is going to conduct on the O Rajendra Nagar and Mukherjee Nagar. So kindly go with the enrollment with the code of Ravi UPSC. CSE Assure, the Unacademy is providing a facility guys. If you are going to take courses for 2 years and above subscriptions, so you will get the CSE Assure. And here if you have a problem to crack the UPSC, so Unacademy also provide you the better and extra extensions. But there are few conditions, so kindly read, be careful in this case of all the terms and conditions, those are apply. And there's a code during joining any courses. Ravi UPSC is the code that you will use and you will get extra 10% fees discount. Unacademy Lite Prelims Test Series, Unacademy is providing you for 2020-22 and 2020-23 as a best rating and 50,000 plus enrollment. Here we are providing the 6-month and 1-year subscriptions to all of you. A free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC CSE 2021 is running now. It is free for all eligible aspirants. So now finally we are here into the discussion of the topics. For that purpose I am here to make all the videos for all of you. Narcoanalysis, lie detector and brain mapping. See guys, actually narcoanalysis is definitely very important always to find out the culprit here that provide evidence against the culprits and to get out the person even the truths. And finally this type of analysis doing by the investigating agencies that you people know very well. But in the case of narcoanalysis, the person will pass through various testing. What about the testing and all that I'll explain with you. And the term narcoanalysis was brought by Hosley, and Hosley even used a scopolamine. Scopolamine drug was used by this person, and then through the help of this on 2 prisoners, he just tried to find out the guilty about the persons, what about the crime they have done. But this test have a serious legal and ethical implications because it's a matter of right to privacy. And this is really guys, it's a question mark in front of human rights, fundamental rights against many of the cases. So narcolepsy, there is a controlled administration of intravenous hypnotic medications. So hypnotic medicines we are giving you. That is also called as a tooth drugs or tooth serums. Okay, and this tooth drugs or tooth serum that we are giving you, it's a pentothal. It's a pentothal sodium. And this pentothal sodium chemicals, when you will take, in that cases you are totally hypnotized. As you know, in many of the movies, like one of the coins connecting with the threads and in front of a person is going to move and the person is going to hypnotize. But here this is not through coins, it is going to perform through the help of certain chemicals, and that chemical is the pentothal sodiums. But here everything will come under the supervision of doctors. And here a person will go in the semi-conscious states, and what about the queries we are going to ask, the person will give the answers. Here there is some pictures, and left side, anterior side, and the left side, right side of the brain portions. I try to show you guys in the various cases, light activations, truth activations, different type of pictures even observed, but we are not going to this pictures, but it's just for the interest, like in different activities, different type of activation sensors even being charged and active in your brain. That is a picture, those you can see here. How it's done now, here guys, a person can use in his imaginations to lie, and this is an active process which requires a mental efforts. And in this test, guys, the subject inhibitions and defenses are lowered by the interfering with this nervous system by using a drugs. Which drugs we are giving? So ultimately your nervous system have not your controls, it is totally hypnotized. Okay, around 3 grams of sodium pentothols or sodium amytal in 3000 ml of distilled water even dissolve, and then it is given to a person, guys. So these drugs definitely suppress your center nervous system. Center nervous system is your brain and spinal cord. It's a brain and spinal cord. Okay, it will suppress them. So ultimately you cannot be more and more run your brain gear, guys. Decrease the blood pressure and slow down the heart rate here in this case. Even in this condition becomes more difficult, although not impossible for him to lie, okay, somehow. But there are some negatives also. Even the person is possible. This is the reason, guys, even the court even not take a proper decisions on the basis of the narcoanalysis testing. Here a person, those are giving under the narcoanalysis test, the person's answers given in the record, both in video and audio cassettes, and that can be used in front of courts and just for the investigations. Lie detector is also famous with the name of polygraphy test. So remember, guys, if somewhere the polygraphy or polygraph type of terms are connecting, so remember it's a narcoanalysis or lie detector. And what about the various activities even going to check in the case of polygraphy or lie detector? So you can see like blood pressure, pulse, respiration, breathing system, various other activities during any queries, okay, that people are checking here. So your BP, pulse rate, and the breathing system, that is very important. Here you can see a person is even involved into the lie detectors, your narcoanalysis polygraphy test, and everything is under the command of doctors. So how much the pentothal sodium a doctor will give, that is under the control administration, guys. Okay, how a brain mapping is working here. The brain mapping is actually a kind of neuroscience techniques, and here we are trying to find out the brain wave frequencies, even the what kind of changes are there. So here in the case of mechanism of brain mapping, the sensor attached to a head first, the next the connect with the onboard computer screen, see the order. Later on the sensor monitor brain-based electrical activities, and further even those results are going to come in the waves and stimulus it is going to measure in the case of brain mapping. So here the one is the EER, electroencephalography, electroencephalogram, that is the EEG. It's used for the measurement of brain frequency, as ECG is used for the electrocardiogram we are using to detect the pulse rate and all. EEG is used to check about the brain frequencies and all. This is a brain mapping that different conditions have a different type of features, but it's not required to you people, guys. How this type of things are in the favor of it, you just come side, guys, like it's very valuable add in the investigation. It will help to the investigations to boost up and all. Even police will also get some of the clues to the help of investigation. Suppose investigations have nothing, no response, at least through the help of narcotics, maybe some chance, some points that police personnel can find out, those will help to identify a proper criminals. So this is the reason, guys, the police must be permitted to use all the available methods. Denying the use of these methods can hamper the police in their investigation, especially in case of terrorism and all. That is very important. There is a lot of the criticisms behind the narcoanalysis lie detector brain mapping, like violates fundamental rights, Article 23, violates human right as it is a form of tortures. And see one thing more, guys, it is unreliable and inadmissible in the court also. Okay, under the influence of sodium pentothal, the person can mix the reality with fantasy also. Those could have give a false and misleading answers. That is also the statement, guys. Maybe a person even addict with these type of drugs, so the person already have controlled their own nervous systems and all. And this is the reason it is very difficult to find out the person, and court never take their own judgment on the basis of narco analysis. And see, this analysis not possible without your without your prescription that I am ready for that, and even a part of some courts and some police personnel whenever they want it. Okay, so only certain cases, neither nobody can force you, because right to privacy, it's your fundamental rights, fundamental duties, a lot of things even protect you against this. Okay, so this is the entire about the topics, and I hope that will be enough to understand entire discussions. And this entire PDF and all you can find out on the Telegram channels, t.me/Ravi UPSC_Academy. Here you can find out my all the PDF, and apart of all the video links, those I share here. My Unacademy profile is on unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out all the plus courses and a part of all the special classes. My course is Ravi UPSC. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% fees rebate. Iconic subscription is the best for all of you guys. Here you will get the live mentorship, and a mentor will help you during all the live sessions, where all the question answer practices, study plannings, how to do, what to do, and even a part of this guys open house with the educators you can also find out. So you people will get the opportunity to connect me and all type of faculties who have experience on Unacademy. Unacademy subscription has a plus and iconic if you want to take it. So any of the subscription, Ravi UPSC code will give you extra 10% discount. Not only for the general studies, even in the case of optional courses, Ravi UPSC will give you discount. UPSC CSE Combat CSAT Special as right now is very important, guys. The reason CSAT without qualifying all the GS never matter, and 40 questions in 60 minutes you will have. Come and join us, guys, on the 24th April 11 AM. Scholarship from the pool of ₹4 crore. During enrollment, kindly use the Ravi UPSC code. Get started with a 0% EMI today, and Academy is providing the loan facility regarding any kind of financial crunch you have. So now you people will get the benefits. So my courses of Science and Endowment is running now in all the languages, guys, Hindi, English, bilingual and all. And they're available on the plus courses. And during joining courses, Ravi UPSC code, kindly use it. And UPSC CSE next batch is going to start from the 20th April 2022. Here 20 GS booklets we are providing you. This courses even starting is the bilingual English and Hindi all. And even a part of this, guys, UPSC CSE Prelims 2020-22, a crash course is also running now. Why you choose an academy to crack IAS as the best for the class educators, the best in the class learner ratings, best in the class test ratings, learners enrolled in the test, everywhere you will write the best response. And here we are providing all the printed comprehensive notes, interview guidance program, daily answer writing practices, even live mentorships. So thank you everyone, and kindly subscribe this this channel, and kindly share this video lessons and even like it. And for the PDF, I told you on the Telegram, you can take it. So thank you everyone. God bless you. Meet you soon in the next class with some new other topics, with some new energy. Okay. Jai.